Here I have Nokia G21, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap here to access its settings, and here you can enable mirror photos from front camera. Like when you have this feature disabled, I take a front photo and it looks like this. And for example, when I have this feature enabled, I take a front photo and it looks like this. See the difference? Yeah, I hope so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.